Now, what you are looking for on the screen is one of the fake 2025 WAEC results that are flying around. This is what is putting all of you under pressure. You have been seeing this kind of results everywhere, and you are kept disturbing and telling me you have not seen your result. Every other person, I don't know how many times I will have to emphasize this for you to know that WAEC result is not officially out. WAEC result is not out officially. What you are seeing are fake results. This is not real. WAEC, remember, WAEC exam officially ended when? Officially ended just today, 5th of May. And WAEC said 2025 UTME result to be released as soon as all post-examination analysis and other procedures are completed. Before they will release it for you, there are procedures they will go through, right? They will check the result, check those that pass. I mean, there are things, it's not just automatic. They just finished today, Monday, 5th of May is the day they will conclude writing the exam. How can WAEC release exam result without being sure that the exam has been concluded? So I want you to please calm down. Others have not seen result. Any result you are seeing at this moment is fake. Any result you are seeing at this moment is not real. Let me read this out for you. The 2025 UTME results are not yet out. The image above is fake and does not reflect the official JAMB result format. By image above, we mean this one. This is not how JAMB results looks. It's for you to be learning, know. The JAMB has made it clear that result will only be released after the exam ends on 5th May. After the exam ends, when released, result can be checked using the SIM card linked to your JAMB profile via USSD code. So let me repeat, avoid scammers. Turn to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, say avoid scammers. By the time they get your details, get your reg number, your phone number, your email address, you may not be able to check your result again. They will hack your account. It will jeopardize getting your admission. It will jeopardize checking your result. So calm down. Please turn around, talk to your neighbors, tell them to calm down. Turn back, tell the person at your back in the comment section. Tell the person, please calm down, cool your temper. Avoid scammer. Don't pay anyone to check or upgrade your result. There is nothing like upgrading JAMB results. There is nothing like upgrading JAMB result. Let me say it again. You cannot upgrade your JAMB result. You cannot upgrade your JAMB result. I've told you to report anybody telling you they can upgrade your result. Report the person to me, please. Report the person. Once you're a member of our YouTube channel, ensure you report the person. Once you have subscribed to our YouTube channel, report the person immediately to me. Stay informed, stay alert, stay safe. Don't let anyone scam you. If you are scammed, of course you will you will warn yourself and tell yourself that I have been hammering on this here on Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. If you have not checked your JAMB result, I want me to give you the code or the link that you use to check it once it is out. Let me know in the comment section. You want the code to check. Let me know right now in the comment section.